Okay, in this video we're going to look at the top section. This is part of a series of 3 videos explaining the different sections of Jamroom, the admin control panel, the profiles, and the top section. This is the top section. So what we have here is a Jamroom site. It's the top page. It's got the Audio Pro skin installed, and we are looking at the very top page of the site right now. We can tell that because we're at the base URL. Now this skin's been set up by the skin designer to have lots of different content laid out in a way that works for audio. That's why it's called the Audio Pro. So this is the very top page of our site, but the top section of a Jamroom site is all of the pages that are on the same level as this. So currently we've got shop, chart, and a custom page here. Forum is in the main menu bar links, but it's not on the top section of a site. It's actually on a profile. You can tell by when you click on it, it goes to the community profile and then the forum module in there. And then here are all of the links for that particular profile. We'll look at profiles in a different video. This page here is a custom page designed on the top section of the site. Now the top section of the site is anything above the profile levels. The purpose of the top section is to feed visitors down into the profiles that exist. So all of your users will upload to their profile, and we'll use the top section to feed down to the profiles. We can see we've got a list of latest songs here. This is the latest song track, demo track 4, and if I click on that, we're going to go into a profile and onto that track on the profile. We'll have a look. So we've gone into Jason Bourne's profile, and now we're looking at the audio section of his profile and that track we were just looking at. So the top section feeds down. We can see we've got a list of blogs here. Welcome to Jamroom. That's going to go to whoever wrote that blog. Got another blog post here by a different person. This is from a different person, and they all just what you're listing blogs on the top section of the site so that the content on the profiles can get found. All of the content stays on somebody's profile. That's the main location where they're at. Now this page here has been built using the site builder system. Custom page, site builder. So we've just requested a page here. It's got one list of songs. Close that. And a list of blogs. There's another video for how to use Site Builder, but we know that this is one page on the top section of the site that has been created with the Site Builder system. Just for illustration, we'll add another page here. Maybe we'll call it About Us. And close that. Now what happens is we've got a blank page here. We've got a link to the About Us page. It doesn't exist, but the Site Builder system allows us to create it. Give it a bit of a better layout. That's better. Delete that one. Save that page. And now if we wanted to build an About Us page here on the top level of the site, we could. You could add whatever text you want in there. Just give it a bit of filler so it can take up some space on the screen. And then we'll add a list of something there. Images. Just a basic list. There we go. So you construct your top level like this, and you could build as many pages as you liked on the top level. Perhaps you want one for audio, feeding down to all of the audio content on your profiles. The top level of the site, its purpose is to direct your visitors to the locations that are important to your site. And if your site's a community based around forums, then you'll want to direct them to the forums. But perhaps you allow your users to upload other things to their profiles. The top section of the site is how the visitors come into your site, and then you're creating a navigation flow down into the profiles where the actual content is. So that's the top section of the site.